Okay, I'm doing the Rabaconda I just bought. Now, all I did was put it together. I have no clue what I'm doing, so I'm hoping it'll go smoothly. But, truth be told, however it works, it works. These things here are a rim. They're just magnets that really stick on here, but they move up and down for your rim width. So I have to get that set up. First I'll get the rim on, and there's little different sized bushings. So what'll happen is if you have if the center of your hub has different dimensions, these are step bushings. Mine seem to fit on there nice and tight because I checked the fit of just this. And the idea behind it is it keeps it basically sturdy, so when you're taking the tire off, it doesn't wobble like this. So I'm hoping that I don't have to use these because of the fit that I had, but we'll find out. Yeah, the smallest bushing there did not even fit on there. So now the idea, what they say, is you get your magnet set up on the edge of the rim, and there should be room enough as far as missing the rotor. So let's see what happens. This one's 1.5 miles off. It's a good magnet, I'm going to tell you that, because I can barely move it. Let's see what we got here. A little bit with that one. Yeah, it's sitting right up against the rotor, but not on top of it, and sitting on the rim. So that's good. So what they tell you is to do either side first, depending on what your preference is. So what we want to do first is break the bead. Now, you know what I didn't do? I didn't take the air out of the tire. Dang it. Before I put this tire back on, I ordered some 90-degree valve stems because they're just almost impossible to get a regular fill nozzle on here. So wasn't any air in the damn thing anyway. Okay, let's see what happens. Totally adjustable for all kinds of different things, they say. So this got a little notch, it just goes in and spins, so it kind of locks in place. Now, yeah, Gotta go down some. Let's see, how am I gonna do that? Like that. There's a, this whole head goes up and down. So let's see what happens here. Wow, nice. Broke that bead right off the bat. Oh, that was sweet. All right then. Huh. Get it swapped around. Do the same thing. Could go up just a little tiny bit, I think. There we go. It could work better before. Yep. See how that goes. Not getting a good enough bite, that's the problem. How come it worked so well the first time, man? So it was lucky. There we go. You gotta get her right down to that rim, I'll tell you what. All right, so now, I tell you to put this bad boy on there. This is full of adjustments. So, loosen that. Get this duck head. They gave me an extra one so I could show you what it looks like. Give you this duck head. This part here sits in the rim. You can see it kind of sits over the edge of the rim, and then you put the tire iron here, goes over the top, and then latches into the handle. So that being said, we also, dang it, I'm going to have to flip it around because of the rotor's in the way. For the piece that holds the rim from spinning. Well, I'm an old man, and there's a little work involved. I can feel it because I'm completely out of shape. I'm starting to sweat, but I'm in my shop and I got the furnace on, so let's see if that works. No. So they said if it doesn't work, God, I hate to have to take the rotor off, but they give you a strap, and the strap would wrap around the machine and around the spokes here. But I guess I'm going to try it that way. Name placement everywhere, right? It's just a regular the old style straps that didn't ratchet. So let me see how we want to do this. Where do we want to grab it? Top or bottom? I don't think it matters, to be honest. All right, let's put this in here. I believe that'll work. Just pull her down. Yeah, that should work. Put that bead breaker on there quick. Yeah, wasn't much. All right, let's try her again. Try her again. It's in the groove, man. Make sure it's all the way down, I guess. Let's see here. I believe it does this, like so. That's way too simple, dude. Way too simple. They say just ratchet it off, I guess. Uh-oh. Try something a little different. Nice. That's one side. One side. Huh. So, let's do what they say. Well, I'll get to the other tire side. Huh. Well, you saw it here, folks. There it is. How long did it take? Never did it before in my life. Let's see. How long was it? Huh.